911, what's the address of your emergency?
My mom just said the address is 565 Sparks Boulevard, or 711. She's over there.
Okay, so, I just need to confirm, 565 Sparks Boulevard.
Yes,
And what?
we're at the 711.
You said you're at the 7-Eleven?
No, she said he's either there, he's going to take her there, or the 7-Eleven. He's
Okay.
trying to kill her.
Okay, okay, I didn't hear the first part. Your mom is trying to kill someone, you said?
No, someone is trying to kill her. She thinks my stepdad.
Okay, so your stepdad is trying to kill her?
Yes,
Okay, what happened? Was there an argument?
yes. There was an argument. The police were called. I think they just talked to them, and now he's going crazy.
Okay, so we were just there, and now he's going crazy?
Yes, I think so. I don't know.
Okay.
She just said cops were there earlier, and now I don't know what's happening. She just told me to call the cops right away.
Okay, so wait, you're not there? Where are you calling from?
I'm at my house, and there's the talk.
And where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Wakefield Street.
Okay, and is your mom at home at the apartment, or you don't know?
No, she was over there by the apartment trying to talk with him. Or the 7-Eleven, I'm not sure. She just sent me the addresses. Told me he was trying to kill her.
Okay, so what's your mom's name? Okay, and then what's the stepdad's name?
Abel Lopez?
Abel?
Yes.
Okay, have either of them been drinking, do you know?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, and do they have any weapons in the house?
He has a gun.
Okay, does he have a gun with him?
Yes.
Okay, and was he chasing her, or were they at the apartment?
I'm not sure. They have an argument for the past few days. They just left, and they've been talking and trying to figure it out, and now she just told me to call the police right away because she thinks he's trying to kill her. I don't know what's going on.
Okay, so she called you instead of calling the police and told you to call the police and said he was trying to kill her.
No, she texted me. She said, call the police right now. I think she's trying to hide it from him.
Okay, so she's trying to hide from him?
She's trying to hide that. She just want to call the police because she will know, so she told me to.
Okay, so she texted you.
Yes.
Okay. She's trying to hide the fact that she's calling the police?
Yes.
Okay. What's your name? Okay, and you don't know if she's at the apartment or not?
Yeah, she just looked at the two locations that he would bring her.
Okay, explain that to me. I don't understand. He's trying to take her somewhere, or explain why you think she might be someplace else, because there's a disconnect. Tell me, I don't understand.
That's his apartment, and she's saying she's at the 7-Eleven right now.
Okay.
She thinks that he's going to take her to the apartment, try to do something with her.
Okay, so she said she's at the 7-Eleven and that she's afraid he's going to take her to his apartment?
Yes.
Do you know what kind of vehicle they would be in?
A red truck.
Is that his truck?
Yes.
Do you know what kind of red truck? Is it a Chevy, a Toyota, a Dodge, or you don't know? A Chevy?
He has another car, and it's a Tahoe. It's a blue Tahoe.
Okay. Are they in his red Chevy, or you don't know?
I'm not sure.
And your mom has a blue Tahoe?
Yes. Let me go check the garage.
Okay.
Vehicle is. Both of their cars are gone.
Both of their cars are gone? Okay.
So either one of them.
Okay. So she lives with you out in Wingfield Springs. Her boyfriend lives at Park Vista. Is that how I'm understanding it?
Yes, he stays here too, but that's his apartment.
Okay. Do you know when they left the house? Were they at the house in Wingfield, or?
Earlier, they've been talking all day, and last night she got a room at the Pepper Mill because they've been arguing for the past few days.
Okay.
I don't know, they
On your right.
I'm gonna take the driver's side.
Okay. Yeah, blood or anything on there?
See anything? No.
I was looking for any blood, but I can't see any.
Lord, please! Soldier! Get on the ground! Oh shit! Push! Push! Find the girl! Find the girl! Get her out!
Right here, I didn't do nothing.
Let's go! Shots fired! Shots fired! One down! Get her out! Get her out! Get her out! Come! Take her out! Take her out! Go! Out! Everybody out! The rest of this? What's this? Lord, please! Go down! Shit! Oh shit! Push! Push! Find the girl! Find the girl! Get her out! Get her out! Get her out!
Sparks, police, come out! Blue, coming out!
Shots fired, shots fired. Out.
Out!
Out.
Out! Everybody out! Find the rest of this?